welcome back to my channel. I'm Ariana from Crafting Happiness and I post step-by-step tutorials and crochet patterns for beginners every week here on YouTube. Today I'll show you how to crochet the alpine stitch with double crochet rows instead of the usual single crochet rows in between. It has the same beautiful texture but with less bulk, which makes it suitable to use with thicker yarns like I did here in super bulky or even bulky yarns. To begin, chain 30 or any even numbers of chains. Double crochet in a fifth chain from the hook. Then double crochet in each chain across. And this is your first row. For row 2, turn and chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet in a row. Then double crochet in each stitch across. And this is your second row. For row 3, turn and chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet. Then make a front post double crochet 2 rows below around the second post. To make a front post double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook around the post from front to back, and yarn over again and pull up a long loop. Just like that. Then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through last 2 remaining stitches. Now, as you didn't use the stitch behind, skip it and double crochet in the following stitch. Make another front post double crochet 2 rows below. Yarn over, skip this post because you have a double crochet on top, and front post double crochet around this post. Insert your hook around it, just like so. Yarn over, pull a long loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through the 2 remaining loops. And this is how it looks like. Leave the stitch behind unused and double crochet in the following stitch. Keep alternating front post double crochet stitches with double crochet stitches until the end of the row. And this is your third row. For row 4, turn and chain 3. Then double crochet in the following stitch and across. And this is your fourth row. For row 5, turn and chain 3. Then make another double crochet stitch in the following stitch. Next, make a front post double crochet 2 rows below around this post stitch. Then leave behind a stitch unused, skip that one and double crochet in the next. Now continue to alternate front post double crochet stitches with double crochet stitches until you have one stitch left. Double crochet in the last stitch. And this is your 5th row. For row 6, turn and chain 3. Then double crochet in a following stitch and in each stitch across. And this is your 6th row. For row 7, turn and chain 3. Then make a front post double crochet 2 rows below around this post stitch. So yarn over and insert your hook around it. Pull up a loop. Make sure your tension is relaxed and your loop is quite long. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And this is how it looks like. Now skip the stitch behind it and double crochet in the next. And again, alternate front post double crochet stitches with double crochet stitches until the end of the row. And this is your 7th row. Repeat rows 4, 5, 6 and 7 until you have the required length. If you want to learn the Classic Alpine Stitch, you can find the tutorials in my videos or you can click the link on my screen.